Hello pool players, Ron here. Welcome once again to the Pool Student channel, and thank you very much for watching, everyone. Today I've got something real powerful for you if you're struggling with gaining position while shooting into a side pocket to get on the next shot. This video is for you. Without further ado, let's get into it.
Let us first take a look at the layout of the table. Notice I have the 3 red balls aligned at the 3rd diamond up from the short rail as blockers. Next, I have marked 3 shot locations for my cue ball. I have also marked the position for the object ball. I will be using the 8 ball in this case as my positional ball. I will be shooting 3 shots from the first position of the cue ball. Notice here how I'm looking at angle in and angle out so that I can gain position on the 8. Notice how I had to put right spin on the cue ball to create that angle to come into this tight window. Here I've used inside spin to come around the balls on the other side of the table. My 3rd shot is a stun shot with just a touch of right spin. This next shot is from the center position. Notice how I've hit stun with left spin. My 2nd shot, I'm going to have to cheat the pocket and draw through that opening to get on the 8. And here, I also have to cheat the pocket and put right spin on the cue ball to manipulate its travel path. Now I've moved to the 3rd position. This shot doesn't look like much, but I've had to cheat the yellow ball by overcutting it and putting inside spin on the cue ball to hold it for the 8. For this next shot, I've removed 1 ball and I'm going to stun through the opening to get on the 8. Next, I've removed another ball and I have to stun with a little draw. In making this video, I decided to work on this shot for myself just a little bit. And what I discovered was that if I tried to hit that red ball, that was the best option because I could let out my stroke and use it as a stopper to be on the 8. Now I've removed all the balls and I've decided to shoot just this shot coming down for position. Now notice that this is a very common shot. Often we try to put these balls in the side pocket and just go up and down the table, but notice here that I'm putting some spin on the cue ball so that I avoid the scratch if I hit the ball too firm. This next shot is an inside spin shot, and I'm going 2 cushions to come to the opposite side of the 8. Get yourself familiar with this shot because I'm sure it will help you in your game. As you experiment with these shots, remember this is about the process. This 3rd shot is one that I really like a lot, and that's where I hit stun with just a little bit of spin to try to get the cue ball to hit around that 2nd diamond and float into position. And here is a shot that I did not show yet, and it's where I go 2 cushions and I come back through the opening I'm shooting from. I hope this was helpful for everyone. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below and I'll answer every one. Thanks for watching, and until next time, like I always say, keep on practicing.